All right, let's talk about demo adaptation, Spider-Man style. Imagine Spider-Man swinging through the city using one web move for every situation. Tall buildings, low rooftops, crowded streets. Same swing, he'd crash. That's exactly how most demos are run. Same script, same features, same flow, whether the buyer is technical, commercial, or just exploring. But AI changes everything. With Salesforce, HubSpot, Gong, and Moksy.ai, demo scripts adapt automatically. AI listens to questions, reads behavior, tracks interest, and shifts the demo in real time. More depth where interest is high, less noise where it isn't. No coding skills needed. Buyers stay engaged. Demos feel relevant, deals move faster. So ask yourself, are your demos adapting or just talking?